Having completed their education and training from Dronacharya, the Pandavas kept on conquering one land after the another and extended their influence to all the part of Bharatvarsha. Seeing the great prowess of the sons of Pandu, Dhritarashtra's sentiment towards them suddenly changed. The blind king, who was also blind spiritually, was overcome with envy and began to plot to kill the Pandavas. Dhritarashtra called one of his confidants, Kanika, for advice. Kanika, being the crooked one, said an enemy deserved to be killed, no matter even if he is your father, brother or friend. He advised the blind one to act sweet towards his enemies and strike when the enemy puts down his guard. Dhritarashtra then got the idea and shared it with Duryodhan, who was already envious of the Pandavas, whose praise was echoing from every corner of Hastinapur. The father and son then made a plan to burn the Pandavas down in Varnavata. One day, in the court of Hastinapur, the councillors of the king started speaking good things about Varnavata and its nature. Impressed by the description, the Pandavas began to show their curiosity about the place. Taking it as an opportunity, Dhritarashtra told them to stay there and enjoy the Shiv festival that happened there before returning back to Hastinapur. As the Pandavas prepared to leave for Varnavata, Duryodhan calls Purochana to construct a palace there made of flammable material, so that the palace with the sleeping Pandavas and Kunti could be easily burnt down to ashes. At this juncture, before leaving, Vidura, their uncle, told Yudhishthir about everything and also the plan to escape. On the stipulated day, when the Pandavas arrived to Varnavata, the people were elated and guided them to take a tour of the town. The scheming Purochana then took them to the palace made of flammable materials, popularly known as the Palace of Lac. Yudhishthir, upon inspecting the palace, found that the house was built with hemp, resin, straw and bamboos all soaked in ghee. He informed Bhim immediately about it and also how Uncle Vidur has helped them. At this point, Bhim advised that they should all leave at once. But Yudhishthir arrived at a conclusion that they should stay till Purochana begins to trust that the Pandavas already trust him. Doing anything otherwise, according to Yudhishthir, would have been harmful because they might try to kill the Pandavas before time. And even if they successfully escaped Purochana, Duryodhan might get them killed outside. Listening to what Yudhishthir had said, the Pandavas kept on playing along with Purochana while Vidur had sent one of his minor friends to the palace of Lac to help the Pandavas escape. On Yudhishthir's advice, the minor friend of Vidur excavated a tunnel from under the center of the palace to Ganga river. Soon, on the day of the festival, when Purochana was drunk and was sleeping peacefully in the palace, the Pandavas decided to set the palace on fire and escape through the tunnel, along with their mother Kunti. For more such interesting content, do like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.